Hello, welcome. This is blockchainbloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Attila Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that Circle launches a cross-chain USDC transfer protocol for Ethereum and Avalanche, which can solve the bridge hack problems. Let's talk about that. Then the second thing I would like to discuss is CoinBase response to SEC's Wells notice, and they're saying if it's necessary, they're willing to fight back. And then we have here CFTC's proposal saying that crypto companies should reducing anonymity to manage risks. So guys, all this in today's video. Don't forget, every day I bring you a couple of fresh videos to keep you up to date. So if you're interested in crypto, blockchain, economic situation, then you should definitely subscribe, because as soon as a new video is out, then you will get the notifications and you can stay up to date. Don't forget that during the weekend you're going to get a couple of short videos as well, but from Monday to Friday you're getting these longer videos next to the short videos. So hit the like button if you like this kind of content, and now let's hit it. And for a start, as usual, let's have a look at the prices. Well, Bitcoin is actually up a bit more than 1%, which makes Bitcoin price $29,277. Ethereum is up about 1.5%, which is $1,908. So this is what happened in the last 24 hours to the two biggest one. And what do they do now? So once again. Right. Okay. So who are the winners? So Alpha Venture, Dow is up 13% in last 24 hours. Internet Computer about 10% up, and Veriscoin 9%. Okay. These are the winners in the last 24 hours. The losers, IDEX 8% down. Then we have, whoa, what's that? RageQuack.com. Never heard about it, to be honest with you. Oh, hang on. This is like what happened here. The numbers. Okay. Some weird. Oh, I went on to DeFi. Sorry, I messed up. My apology here. Yeah, those weird days came up, and I was just like, what the heck is going on? So anyway, we got Bitcoin, Ethereum right, and then I pushed the wrong button. Jumped on DeFi here instead of this 24-hour thing. Okay, so anyway, so back now. So Render token is the one which is up 10%. Internet Computer is about 10% also, and Pancake Swap up 7.5%. And now when we're looking at the losers, that makes more sense. Multiverse X is down 3.5%. BNB about 3%, and Stacks 2%. When we're looking at here the candlestick chart, we can see that actually this trend line here was resistance here for a little bit, but it was a support. So in many cases, and now it can work as a support again, which can make us stay above it. So let's see how this plays out. Okay, and now let's move on to the first topic. And the first topic is all about the Circle launches a new cross-chain transfer protocol, which could solve the bridge problem we have witnessed so many times already, this bridge hack. So let's talk about it. So here we have Circle, the company which is behind USDC, and actually they are launching a cross-chain USDC transfer protocol for Ethereum and Avalanche. And how the usual way works, it's that when you have this kind of bridge protocol, so and you'd like to move an asset from one network, from the Ethereum network, for example, to the Avalanche network, then usually it goes like this, that on the original one, the tokens are locked, and they're kind of, there are new issued tokens on the other one. However, in this case, unlike a traditional bridge, it doesn't lock tokens, it rather destroy them. So actually it's going away on the original network, and actually the new ones will be kind of issued. So this is how the new thing, they called it cross-chain transfer protocol. And the team said that this expects CCTP to solve the problem of fragmentation in the Web3 ecosystem. And here, the article has also discussed that users have lost billions of dollars worth of USDC and other cryptocurrencies due to breach hacks over the past few years, as attackers have, repeatedly figured out how to remove locked coins from a breach contract and leave their, copies on the receiving network with no backing. So this could be now the solution, and with this it will be then kind of risk-free, because those tokens, the original one, will be destroyed, and now the new one will be on the new chain. How it will work, we will see, but interesting solution. Right, okay. The next topic is all about that the CoinBase is saying that we're going to fight back, so SEC shouldn't really push that hard. So let's talk about that. As you know, CoinBase received a Wells notice from the SEC, and now they're saying that the SEC risks reputational harm with enforcement action. And, cryptocurrency exchange CoinBase said on Thursday that it has responded to the Wells notice receiving from the SEC, urging that the agency not to pursue enforcement action against the company for the SEC's own sake. Coinbase is, the leading cryptocurrency exchange in the United States and become a publicly traded company when it was listed on Nasdaq back in 2021. So the company argues that by allowing it to be listed on Nasdaq, the SEC implied that it did not think Coinbase business was unlawful. In response to the SEC's Wells notice, the company said its platform does not list securities. Its Coinbase wallet product does not constitute a broker, and the exchange's staking service do not constitute a security offering. Bottom line is that actually they're saying we're willing to fight back if it's necessary. Here we go, that we do not release legislation against the SEC, but we will vigorously defend ourselves, Coinbase Chief Legal Officer Paul said here yesterday on Thursday. So it looks like they kind of fed up with this whole, SEC thing, and they say, okay, we're going to protect ourselves. If it's necessary, we're going to fight back because we don't do anything against the law. And so I'm really curious when this whole thing will be over, when we finally figure out in the United States what is a security, what is a commodity, all these things. It will be very, very important, because this kind of thing is just starts to get boring right now. When you're looking at Brian Armstrong Twitter, then you can find also the video here and all these bullet points he put down, so you can read this, get the full argument. Right, and another authority, CFTC, proposes reducing anonymity to manage risk. So, of course, the push from regulators is on from many sides. CFTC, for example, proposes reducing anonymity to manage risk. The Commodity Futures Trading Commissioner, Christy Goldsmith Romero, has urged crypto companies to verify the digital identity of users, saying that the Congress is considering new laws addressing anonymity and digital identity. So they're saying that it would be very nice to, get all this information about the customers, which wallet goes with which name and what identity, because this is the way they're pushing. So this push for centralized exchanges around this kind of KYC issue is getting bigger and they're really forced to do so, because it looks like the law is also going in this direction. So the bottom line, all the authorities would like to have a clear picture who is owning what cryptocurrency. Of course, it doesn't occur, that goes to DEXs, because they can't do anything with that. But right now, on centralized exchanges, of course, they can. And now, if the centralized exchanges would like to function, after these kind of laws coming out, they are kind of forced to do so, as already they're collecting a lot of data about you if you would like to use them. Okay, so probably this is going to be the trend. Guys, don't forget, every day I'm making a couple of fresh videos. During the weekend, you're going to receive the short videos, and on Monday, I'm back with fresher new video, this longer one, where I can a little bit more explain the newest things, what's happening in crypto and blockchain. So if you like this kind of content, hit the like button. I wish you a great weekend. See you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.